Hello everybody, my name is Ahmed Naveed and today we are going to be making a nice lovely lantern. It can stand on its own and overall it looks quite nice. Handle, and it's made out of an A4 piece of paper. You will need a ruler, a pencil, scissors and a glue stick. So let's begin. First of all, you'll need to fold it in half. You need to make sure this folded side is facing towards you. Okay? You're going to grab your ruler and you're going to just draw a line about a centimetre and a half, or you could just iron it from the top. You can use this part of the ruler to measure it, or you could measure it. What we're going to do is draw nice straight lines, just like that, all the way. Okay, so on the last one that you do, I'd like you to just go all the way. So that includes this bit here. Turn it round, and now you're going to grab your scissors. All you're going to do with your scissors is just cut along these lines here. Now, for the last one that you did, you're going to cut all the way, open it up and leave it to the side for now. Then all you're going to do is just cut up to the line, so not all the way but just up to there, and do that for every single one. Last one now. All you're going to do now is, if you want to, rub off this line that you were using. This is if you want to, you do not have to, but it looks better. Okay. You're going to get it and open it up just like that. Now, what you can do is just start to curl it up and start to do that. So already you can see the lantern shape. But now we need to stick it together. You're going to get your glue stick and apply glue on one of these sides. Be very careful not to snap the paper. Try and just match it up as best as you you can. I'd recommend do the two sides first, then move on to the middle. Just like that. Stick this together. And now it can stand up on its own. You're going to grab the piece of paper that we had before and you're going to apply glue just on the ends. Just like this. And you're going to stick it in the inside of it. And finally, we have got a nice, lovely lantern. So everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.